Hi, I'm Marley.
Hi, I'm Delaney.
This is our video submission on behalf of SOS Animales Nicaragua for Project for Awesome 2026.
Project for Awesome funds would help our organization create sustainable change in the lives of animals in Nicaraguan communities.
When many people visit Central America, they are astounded by the amount of street animals. What surprises people is that for the majority, these animals are not homeless strays, but they are free roaming pets. Many people in these communities do not have the resources or education to provide happy and healthy lives for their animals, so they largely turn them free to fend for themselves. SOS Animales began in 2020 when two women decided to do something to make a difference for cats and dogs in their community of San Juan del Sur. Our mission is based in outreach, education, rescue and rehabilitation, and offering affordable healthcare options for animals. Shortly after the formation of our organization, we realized that the most efficient way to provide healthcare to these animals of our community was to open a full-service veterinary clinic, as our small Nicaraguan town had no veterinary services. 5 years later, we no longer own the vet clinic, but we share a facility and work closely together to make the community a safer place for animals. SOS Animales has many different programs available to the community to aid in animal welfare. One thing our organization provides is subsidized costs for animal health care. In many situations, animals are in catastrophic need of emergency health care, and their owners cannot afford it. Through individual donations, we subsidize costs for treatments like chemotherapy, orthopedic surgeries, treatment of infections, parasite treatments, and so much more. Because of the immense number of animals who need our help, we do not accept surrenders unless it is a situation of abuse or extreme neglect. Instead, we step in with compassion and education and do everything we can to make animals safe and happy with their owners. This creates a community that is accountable and responsible for the well-being of their animals. The dogs and cats we do rescue and rehabilitate are usually homeless animals in dire need of help, in abusive homes or unwanted litters who have been otherwise left to die. After the animals are rehabilitated, we find them responsible for forever homes. Overpopulation breeds conditions that leave baby animals dying of starvation and disease. Many, especially cats, are disposed of by humans in grotesque ways, like being thrown directly into the garbage. Almost all of our adoptable kittens come from the trash. Similarly, there are many unwanted dog pregnancies. We developed our Mama Dog program to put forward early intervention into the lives of at-risk puppies while still holding owners accountable. This program aims to ensure the puppies end up in responsible homes as well as receive sterilization surgeries along with the mother dog. Addressing overpopulation is the number one way to end animal suffering. With this in mind, we offer several different spay and neuter programs, including monthly low-cost sterilization clinics for dogs and weekly TNR sterilization clinics for cats. Each year, we sterilize around 1,000 animals. In the beginning, it was hard to convince people to sterilize their pets, but after a couple years of door-to-door education, the community has really started to see the benefits, and people are excited to sign up for the clinics. In 2026, it is a goal of ours to host more sterilization clinics in rural, underserved communities. If we are fortunate enough to receive funds from Project for Awesome, we would be able to host more of these clinics and provide healthcare to animals suffering in these outer communities. Currently, SOS Animales funds all of these welfare and outreach programs through individual public donations and by hosting public fundraising events. In the beginning, we sold baked goods at local farmers markets, but we soon realized that there was a public desire for community events, and we had a knack for putting them together. For the past 5 years, we have hosted an average of 2 community events per month. These are not only a way for us to fundraise for the animals, but a way to foster involvement in the community and spark happiness. Though in many cases, the work we do is heartbreaking day in and day out. In the 5 years our organization has existed, we have seen real change in the community. This visible change makes us hopeful that if we continue expanding our programs and with the help from more funding, we can eradicate animal suffering in our community and reach other communities outside of our own, bringing happiness and health to even more animals.